श्री गणेश विद्या मंदिर गणेशपुरी मापसाची विद्यार्थिनी चांदणी चारी यांना इनरव्हील क्लब ऑफ मापसा एलिटतर्फे पुढील शैक्षणिक वर्षासाठी आर्थिक सहाय्य प्रदान करण्यात आले। चांदणी चारी ही गरीब व होतकरू विद्यार्थिनी होती। तिची दखल घेत तिला या क्लबने दत्तक घेतले आहे। यावेळी मान्यवरांनी तिचे अभिनंदन करीत तिच्या भावी वाटचालीस शुभेच्छा दिल्या।
Respected Principal, Sir, Secretary Gayatri Saukar, other members of Innerville Club of Mapsa Elite, dear student Chandani Chari, teachers and all my dear students, a very good morning to you all. Actually, it is very nice to be here at this point of time on the occasion of noble cause. All of you know that we are here to we are adopting a girl child from your school, and you know her very well, Chandani Chari. And I must say that when I read the biodata of Chandani, I was really surprised, and I appreciate her feeling towards education, to acquire education. Actually, I am a teacher. I know what is the tendency of the girls when they fail in 9th standard. Generally, they don't continue their studies. Maybe because of so many reasons. But I appreciate the attitude of this particular girl. Even after failing in 9th standard, she continued her education and got the SSC cleared from open school. It's really something to be appreciated, because as I have said, the girls don't continue after 9. So the zeal of this girl it can be seen when she has continued her education. So I think she really deserves a big round of applause for this. Yes. Now students, this is the right time when you learn something new. At this age itself, you must think and keep in mind that you have to do something extraordinary. Why extraordinary? Because simple things, usual things everybody does. When you do something extraordinary, that is your identity. You are identified because you have done something extraordinary than others. So my dear friends, do something in your life. Because of that you will be identified, and your principal, your teachers, your institution will be proud of you, and they will proudly say, yes, this is the particular student, he passed out from my institution, this is the student to which I have taught, and at this point I can say proudly, yes, I am the teacher of this particular student. So this type of feeling, this type of ambitions you must have in yourself. Always try to inculcate what you learn in the school from your teachers. Try to impart the good qualities that you are getting. This is the opportunity to learn something. Everybody is not fortunate. Some are unfortunate. Now, so many students in India, they are deprived of education. There are so many reasons. It doesn't mean that they don't want to study or they don't want to pursue further education. but because of some difficulties they cannot achieve that education. And in that sense, I am saying here that you are fortunate enough that you are getting these opportunities to learn something. Last week we had come here, we have visited your school where we had conducted a workshop, leadership training program, and that time we were just discussing. Principal sir told us that a student like Chandani is studying in our school and she needs help. So the urge and the concern we noticed from the words of principal sir and of course the teachers, that was really heart touching. The moment sir told us about the girl Chandani, my friend Vanessa was also with us that day. Immediately, without thinking any, she said, "Yes sir, I am going to help her." I request you, dear Vanessa madam also deserves a big round of applause. Students, please. Yes. And I wish Lord Ganesh to give her peace of mind and let her all the wishes of her comes true. Come to Chandani. Dear Chandani, you are lucky. Lucky in the sense you can pursue your further education. When it comes to education, a helping hand never goes down. Helping hands are always raised because education is something which is very, very important, and that is our identity. We are identified because of education. When, as I said, do something extraordinary to create your own identity. So I wish all the best to Chandani, and Chandani is now in 11th. This year it is okay line. Next year she will be appearing board examination. For that purpose she needs to take extra effort. She needs to dedicate her entire time to the study so that when she pass out in flying colors, the institution will be very happy, will be very happily will say yes, Chandani has passed out in flying colors with a good percentage of mark. In 10th standard itself she has secured 61% of marks and she passed out. So I wish her all the best in her future endeavor, and I also okay. Now as I have said, when we got to know from the principal and the teachers that she wants to pursue further education. And you must be knowing that Chandani lost her father also, lost her mother also, and she is staying alone in her house, no helping hand. And when we heard the story, when principal sir told us that these are her difficulties, then yes, we decided that we should help a girl who wants to pursue education. And that is the reason why we have decided to opt her. And as I have said, my friend Vanessa, she on the spot she told yes, I am ready to help her, and that is the reason why we have decided to adopt her. And once again I wish her all the best, and thank you so much sir for giving us this opportunity, because when the urge came from your staff and yourself, that was our winning. Because of that, so that urge also and the concern the teacher showed, that was also a very inspiring line. So thank you very much sir, and thank you Chandani, and thank you all my dear students. Okay, yes, God bless.
My dear students, Sir Mandrekar, the teachers, all our friends from the Elite Club. It really touches me that I've always had this dream and wish to adopt a girl child. And it was only a thought, and today it's become a reality for me. I am absolutely pleased and honored to be able to adopt such a deserving person, a girl child who really wants to study and pursue her career. And for that, we definitely will support her all the way. It's my utmost pleasure, and it's a blessing to have this opportunity. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
स्टार्टींग नाव सांग.
माझे नाव चांदनी चारी.
ओके. खंय रावता?
खोल्ली म्हापसा गोवा.
ओके. सो आयज इनर व्हील क्लब हांणी तुका एक स्पॉन्सरशीप दिल्ली आसा तुज्या शिक्षणा खातीर. तूं कितें सांगपाक सोदता ह्या बद्दल आमकां?
हांव खूब थँकफूल करता तांकां म्हाका हे हेल्प केला म्हणून म्हाका स्टडी खातीर. आनी
ओके. सो तुजो कितें बॅकग्रावंड कितें म्हणजे मम्मी तुका आमी एक आयकलां की यू डोंट हॅव युअर फादर एंड मॉम. अबाउट टेल मी अबाउट दॅट.
हय म्हाका प्रायमरी डॅडी आहलो प्रायमरीक आसतना आनी मम्मी आतां 9थाक हे आसतना जाल्लेली. आनी हांव एकलेंच रावता घरा अशें.
ओके. सो कशें चलतालें तुजें घरा कडलें मिन्स जेवण म्हण खाण म्हण आनी तूं ओपन स्कूलूय केलां अशें आमी आयकलां तेज्या बद्दल आमकां सांग. मिन्स घरांचें खाण पीण आसा तें खंयच्यान येतालें कोण हेल्प करतालो?
अशी करताली हांव करतालें बिलां बीन अशी विकतालें कितें.
ओके. तूं कितें करतालें? तूं शिंवतालें स्वता?
ना अशें आत्यागेर बीन वचून शिवतालें अशें.
ओके. सो तेजे कडल्यान जो इनकम येता तितूंतल्यान तूं तुजें पोट भरतालें. आनी तूं कितले मेरेन शिक्षण घेतलां म्हटलें? 9th मेरेन. आनी 10थाक तूं ओपन स्कूल केलें आनी मागीर फुडले स्टडीजाक कोणी हेल्प केलो?
म्हणटात न्हू इच्छा असली की आमकां वाटो मेळत वयता. अँड टुडे इज द डे फॉर द सेम थिंग. दीस स्कूल द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द स्कूल श्री गजानन मांद्रेकर and today's the special occasion the Inner Wheel Club of Mapsa Elite. President Priya Parab, all the dignitaries on the days of the days and my dear students. Actually this is a golden opportunity for me. I am the part of this club as well as for so many activities. I am always there in this school. So whenever there is any program I always feel proud and happy to attend any function, any project, any program in this school. Whenever we are coming with one idea and we enter over here to bring it in reality and always find that we get many more sources, many more ideas through this school. Same thing and the same example is of today's project. Because last time we were here for another project and suddenly the proposal and the suggestion was given by the principal in his cabin. We all together Inner Wheel members were there with the preparation of the other project. But while discussing that, we totally focus on this matter, especially about the education of a girl child. And whenever this point came, immediately, as you know, the backbone of this Inner Wheel Club, Mr. Pratap Parasari, is something we have to do this. And with his suggestion, president of the Inner Wheel Club, Priya Parab said, "Nah, we will work it on this matter." And the second one more hand came forward immediately, without any thought or without any suggestion or discussion, and that is by our Madam Ganesha. Really, it was a great thing. See, saying is different and doing is different, and bringing it into reality is something that is a super class, which we have done, and we are the part of such club. We are really feeling proud about that, and all the members, because of this special project. Usually, you know that morning time, busy time, all the members, especially lady members, are very busy, but all the way from different parts, from Nanoda, from different corners of the Mapsa, all these NMM members are here. And to capture the golden moments of this, our media people are also here, because this type of the project, it has to reach to each and every corner of our state, in our area, so that people should know there are so many girls are there like Chandani and the helping hands, and really the people like a donor like Vanessa, they should come forward to help these deserving students. And Inner Wheel Club is doing all such type of the projects in a different way, in different fields. And I congratulate our own president as well as all the members of Inner Wheel Club. And special thanks to the principal, especially Gajanan sir. Whenever there is a program, always he is there to welcome we people for any kind of help, and all the teachers, they are equally very enthusiastic to give their suggestions and their helping hand for such projects. And thank you very much for giving this opportunity for our club. On behalf of our club, I'm really, from bottom of my heart, I thank all these, because this is a teamwork and the teamwork should go on.
President of Innovative Club of MAPSA, Elite, Mrs. Priya Parab, Secretary, Gayatri Saukar, the sponsor, Vinisa, the treasurer, Bonita Falari, who is also sponsor for one of the rooms here. Their family has donated one room in this building long back in the name of her father-in-law. So she is also one of the sponsors in this school. So, and other dignitaries, Dr. Vicholkar, Joshi, Chiklikar, Mr. Pratap Parab, who has been very instrumental in this venture. Our student Chandani Parab and the class teacher Bhakti. Actually, the things happen very fast. Normally when we talk about something financial, then the things normally don't happen in very speedy manner. The club or the association normally says that we will discuss the matter with our members, we will have a meeting and all that. But fortunately, Chandani is very fortunate that in one sitting, actually it was just we and our teacher spoke about Chandani, her financial position. She lost her father when she was in primary, I think 3rd or 4th standard. Then when she was in 9th standard, she lost her mother. And she could continue the studies as just now Vanessa said, and Mrs. Priya Parab. In that year she failed, she was studying in Saraswat, but she completed her studies through open school, and this year she joined, and we came to know, actually she is the only student I think we have seen her personally. Other than 11th standard students, most of the 11th standard students, they do not know us and we do not know them because we are always online. So when we came to know her financial position, we were thinking, and fortunately there was one session on leadership, and we decided to speak about this, and the things happened very fast today. And Vanessa was there in that meeting, so instantly she said that I am there. And today we have seen that I think this is just within 10 to 15 days. In the middle there were some holidays and all, otherwise this should have been completed in the last week only. So as you know, Chandani is our student. Actually we have got a good tradition because this is the only higher secondary school in MAPSA who admits all open school students. No higher secondary school in MAPSA, they don't even entertain the students of open school, the repeaters, but we have got good tradition because open school students, repeaters in 10th standard, repeaters in 11th standard, and we have got good results with this student. Last year also, nearly 16 students who were open school student repeaters, either at SSC or 11th standard, they got through. In the first batch, let me tell you how our tradition started. One of our students, Radhakrishna Sahagaonkar, actually he failed twice in the...
Thank you, Sir Mandrekar, Priya Parab, Vanessa. I think Dr. Nutan has covered up saying thanks on behalf of us to everybody. But I would like to thank our reporters, Diksha and Girish, for coming all the way and covering up our program. Thank you.
हांव प्रिया प्रताप परब, एनआरव्ही क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा एलिटचे प्रेसिडेंट. आमी एका फंक्शना खातीर ह्या स्कुलान गणेश विद्या मंदिरान आयिल्ली आनी तेन्ना अशें डिस्कशन करता करता गणेश विद्या मंदिर हायर सेकंडरीचे प्रिंसिपल श्री गजानन मांद्रेकर सर हेंच्यांनी आमकां अनायासे आपले सगळे भुरग्यां बद्दल सांगपाक सुरवात केली आणि त्यांनी विशेष करून चांदनी चारी ह्या भुरग्याची गोष्ट आमकां सांगली की ते भुरगे शिकपाक बरे हुशार आसा आणि पण अशें आसा परिस्थितीन सामके गरीब तेचो आवय बापूय ना 8वी 9वेन आसतना तेचो आवय आनी बापूय एक्सपायर जालो आणि हे भुरगे एकाकी पडले आणि ताका लागून ते 9वेन आसतना फेल जाले बिचारे सारस्वत विद्यालयान ते शिकताले फेल जाले आणि अशें आसा की 9थान बी अशी 9वीच्या वर्गान फेल जाल्ली भुरगीं सहजासहजी शिक्षण कंटिन्यू करिनात पण ह्या भुरग्यान ओपन स्कुलातर्फे आपलें शिक्षण कंप्लीट केलें 10वीची परीक्षा पास जाली आनी 61% त्या भुरग्यान मार्क मेळयले पण आता फुडें कितें हो विचार त्या भुरग्याच्या मनान आसलो आणि ही सगळी कथा आमकां प्रिंसिपल मांद्रेकर सरान सांगली आणि आनीकूय अशें आमकां सांगलें की ही चली माणे बिणे विकता शिवता आनी माणे विकता डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान विकता थोड्या प्रमाणान खावपाच्यो वस्तू तयार करता आणि ते विकता आणि अशा पद्दतीन आपलो खर्च भागयता आयकून आमकां खूब अशें हायशें जालें आणि तेन्नाच आमी विचार केलो आणि सरांनी आमकां सांगलें की तुमी पळय अशें कितें करूंक शकता त्या भुरग्याक फायनान्शियली तुमी कितें मदत करूंक शकता काय असो आमकां तेंच्यांनी आनी टिचरां कडल्यान बी तेंच्या आमकां अशें एक भितूंतल्यान अंतस्करणांतल्यान कशी एक हाक आयली आणि आमी तेन्नाच ठरलें की आमी इतकें सोशल काम करता सोशल सामाजीक फिल्डान वेगवेगळ्या फिल्डान आमी काम करता तेन्ना आमी ठरयलें आणि आमी अशें डिसायड केलें की आमी ह्या भुरग्याक कित्याक एडॉप्ट करचें न्ही कित्याक त्या भुरग्याचो 2 वर्सांचो खर्च आमी उखलचो न्ही अशें आनी आमच्या सुदैवान आमच्या बरोबरचीच एक आमची क्लब मेंबर वनिसा मार्कीस तेणे आमकां सांगलें की यू गो अहेड तुम्ही फुडें चला आपूण आसा आय विल फायनान्स आनी अशा पद्दतीन ह्या चलयेक आमी आज एडॉप्ट करपाचो निर्णय घेतलो आनी आज एक ल्हानसो फंक्शन करून त्या भुरग्या कडेन चांदनी भुरग्या कडेन आमी 36,000चो चेक ताका सुपूर्द केलो आणि ह्या गोष्टींतल्यान आमकां खूब बरें समाधान आसा आणि अशाच पद्दतीन समाजान ज्या ज्या लोकांक शक्य जाता त्या लोकांनी फुडें सरचें आणि शिक्षणा खातीर खंयच्याच भुरग्याचें अशें शिक्षण उरचें न्ही कोणी तरी हेल्पींग हँड दिवन अशा शिकपी भुरग्यांक वयर येवपाक हात दिवपाचो अशें म्हाका दिसता आनी म्हाज्या सबंद क्लबाच्या वतीन म्हाका सगळ्यांक असो एक हें दिवचो संदेश दिवचो असो दिसता की जांकां कोणाक शक्य जाता तेंच्यांनी अवश्य अशा शिकणाऱ्या भुरग्यांक हेल्पींग हँड दिवचो